Assault, abduction, St. Catherine. Car washer held re-attack on female. Illegal pistol allegedly found in St. Andrew farmer's water boot. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Charges have been laid against 28-year-old Nigel Pusey, a car washer of Red Pond District, Fraser's Content in St. Catherine following an incident on St. John's Road in the parish on Friday, January 19. The charges are possession of a prohibited weapon, assault at common law, abduction, and malicious destruction of property. Reports from the Spanish Town Police are that about 6:20 p.m., Pusey went to the home of a woman he had a relationship with, smashed her windows, and cut her light wires. He later approached the woman, who was on her way home from work, and pointed a firearm at her before instructing her to get into his vehicle. Pusey then drove to a petrol station in the area where he stopped to get petrol. While there, the woman made her escape and reported the matter to the police. Pusey was subsequently arrested and formally charged on Friday, January 26. He is scheduled to appear before the St. Catherine Parish Court on Friday, February 2nd. Law enforcers from the St. Andrew North Police Division and members of the Jamaica Defense Force seized a .45 pistol during an operation in Resource District, Mavis Bank, St. Andrew on Friday, January 26. Reports from the lawmen are that about 6:30 a.m., a premises was searched and a firearm was found hidden in a water boot inside a room. The occupant of the premises, 42-year-old farmer Fabian Richards, otherwise called Cock, was subsequently arrested and charged. His court date is being finalized.